The circle shown as center O, circumference 144 pi and diameters of PR and QS. The length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. What is the length of arc QR? So using the given information, we have to find the length of this arc QR. Okay, here the question says that this PR and QS are diameters. Usually the two diameters will intersect inside the circle at the center. So here we have the center O. And we have the information, the length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. That is, when we consider the length of this arc PS, this is 2 times the length of the arc PQ over here. Now let me assume X as the length of arc PQ. Then what is the length of this arc PS? The question says it is 2 times the length of arc PQ. Then the length of arc PS is 2x. Now let's consider the angle over here and angle over here. These two angles are vertical angles and they must be congruent. So the central angle of the arc PQ is this one, and the central angle of the arc SR is this one. Since these two angles are congruent, that is they are equal in measure, the length of arc PQ and the length of arc SR must be equal, because the two arcs which have the same measure of central angle must be equal. So already we have assumed X as the length of arc PQ, the same length will have for SR as well, that is X. Okay, now let's consider this angle over here and this angle over here. These two angles are vertical angles and they must be equal in measure. So these two arcs, PS and QR, have the same central angle. I mean, they have the central angle of equal measure. So they must be equal in length. Already we have the length of PS, that is 2x. Then the length of our QR also must be 2x. Okay, now when I add the length of arc PQ, length of arc PS, the length of arc SR, the length of arc RQ, so that is equal to the circumference of the circle. Okay, now let me add the lengths of all the arcs, that is x, positive 2x, positive x, positive 2x. So the lengths of all these arcs add up to the circumference. Already we have the circumference of the circle, that is 144 pi. In this equation, we have to solve for x. Once we get the value of x, it can be multiplied by 2 to get the length of arc QR. Because according to the question, we have to get the length of arc QR. Now let's solve for x. I think we can solve for 2x in this equation. Let's add this x, 2x, that is 3x, 3x positive x is 4x, 4x positive x is 6x. Okay, we get 6x equals to 144 pi. Since our aim is to get the value of 2x, let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. Okay, let me divide both sides by 3. 3 goes into 3 one times and 3 goes into 6 2 times. We have 2x on the left side. On the right side, let's divide this 144 by 3. That is 3 goes into 3 one times, 3 goes into 14 4 times. We have 2 left in 14 that can be taken along with the next digit. It will become 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times. We get 48 pi on the right side. Actually, this 2x represents the length of QR. Here I got the length of our QR, that is 48 pi. We find 48 pi in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.